This is a demonstration of the final project for embedded system design at Wayne State, fall 2021. This is an Arduino Due that performs various audio effects. We have a microphone which goes to a computer. Computer goes to the Arduino with this input jack. Arduino does processing, goes out via this jack into a soundboard, which then goes into speakers or a computer or whatever's either broadcasting it or recording it. So I'm going to show each of the different functions. This is normal voice. The switches get to choose which mode you're in. So when I change the first switch, it switches to reverb. I'll show that. Okay. So this is reverb. The blue knob changes the amount of reverb in the overall signal. So when it's turned all the way to the right, there's very little reverb in the overall signal. And then the red one changes the overall decay of the reverb. So this versus this. This is shorter. This is longer. All right, next we have equalization. Test. Okay. Okay, so right now the equalization has the option of what type of filter you want to use. Right now we're on a high-pass filter with the knob turned all the way to the right. We have the highest possible center frequency, so it passes most of the signals. Test, 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 test. As you lower it, you'll get less and less past frequencies. Red one doesn't do anything. Then flipping one of the switches. Okay, we are now on a low pass filter. And then the blue knob will also change the frequency that the filter is centered at. So test, 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 test. Okay, so now you can see only low frequencies are passed. Okay, and last but not least is the band reject filter. So this changes what center frequency the band reject filter is centered at. It'll only reject a certain short range of frequencies. So test, 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 test. Oop. Test, test, test. Test. Okay. Sometimes this was just going to be a little weird. Yeah, the band reject filter isn't as obvious. Alright, and then the last one is delay. Test, 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 test. Alright, so you can see what a delay does. It's basically an echo. We can lower the amount of delay in the overall signal. Test, 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 test. And the decay of the signal. This is test, test, test. So this is much faster. This is much longer. Middle amount. That's about it. Thanks for watching.